Hey guys, what is up? It is Whitney, and I know it has been like so long since I have uploaded, but it's okay. We're here now and we're gonna have a good time. So today I wanted to kind of do like this fun like skincare that I saw online. It is a green tea sugar scrub for your face, and I love green tea. Like, I love drinking it. Like, it has really good benefits for you. So when I saw this like green tea scrub, I was like, I have to make it. Like, I have to make it. And so we are here, we're gonna test it out and make it today. So just stay with me and we will get this going. Alright, so the first things you will need is obviously green tea. And I just used the Lipton green tea. And you'll need 2 packets. And then of course sugar. And I just used 4 teaspoons of sugar, a little bit of freshly brewed green tea, and also any type of oil you like to put on your face. I really like this hemp oil with a green tea or tea tree oil. It's really hydrating and I just love putting it on my skin, so it has to go in this. So what I'm going to do is first unravel the little tea bag, take the string off. We don't need it. Bye. And I'm going to cut off the top of the tea bag. And then I'm just going to dump it into the sugar. And we are going to mix those up. And I want you to take a nice spoon and we are going to mix. Until it's nice and mixed up. Yummy. And then, so with this, I found it is super easy to go overboard with the liquid, so we are going to slowly add it in. So I'm going to pour a little bit of the green tea in there, and then we're just going to mix it up because we just want a really nice thick consistency. We don't want it super runny. Alright, here we are so far with the mixture. I'm going to add just like the tiniest bit more of green tea. And then mix some more. There we go. Nice thick consistency. And now I'm going to add my hemp oil. And I'm going to just add a few drops, like a syringe worth. And then just mix that in with it. Alright, now we have a really nice thick consistency. And now we're gonna try it out. And I've already washed my face. I use my Glam Glow Gentle Bubble face wash. It is my favorite at the moment. Like, can't get enough of it night and day. But anyway, I'm mainly going to focus this on my T-zone and anywhere I get a lot of blackheads, because let's face it, blackheads suck. But anyway, I'm just going to take a little bit on my finger and rub it in. So I really feel like it's getting all my blackheads, like a very nice exfoliator. I actually have a blackhead green tea scrub that works amazingly, so I already like knew the green tea was going to work so well, but I kind of like the all natural thing and like a DIY, so I really wanted to try this one out. I'm actually going to go all over my face with this. I just really wanted to work it into my T-zone. So I've noticed that this is kind of still thick, so I think I'm going to go through and add more oil in it just to see, or actually I'm going to add more green tea in it just to see what kind of happens when it's a little bit more thinner. Maybe it'll spread around my face easier, because right now, as you can see, like it really flakes off super easily, which of course is a scrub, but I'm just kind of want to experiment. Oh yeah, I think a little bit runnier makes it go on so much easier. Plus I feel like I'm getting it all over my face more. And now I'm just going to like pat it all over my face. I kind of want to use it as like a mask almost to really get the benefit of the green tea, because I know green tea is super good for your skin. I'd have to say I really like this so far. I might have to make like a whole jar of it to keep, because this is super nice and I really love green, but like the fact that green tea is in it. And I already like feel my skin being softer and more exfoliarized. Yeah. But anyway, how is everyone doing? I feel like I haven't talked to you in so long. Like, I know it's been like 4 months since I even uploaded my last video, but it's okay. I'm getting back into filming more, and I want to have more of a schedule so I don't fall off the face of the earth again. But we'll see what happens. A lot of changes have been made in my life, like with my personal life and my work life, and everything is just super hectic right now. Everything's going so fast, and I just felt like I needed to take a break. I needed to unwind and kind of just like do me and figure out my next move before I got back into doing this a whole lot, because y'all know life can get stressful, you know, and everyone just needs a break. But it feels good to be back, and I want to film some more, which is also a good sign, because at first I was like, ugh, makeup, like I'm not even gonna fuck with that today. I'm not even gonna mess with it. Like, it ain't my thing today. But now I'm getting back into it. Like right here, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a P. Louise box sitting there that has been sitting there for quite a while that I have not broken into yet and got it into, and I really need to. I want to do like an unboxing, because my sweet ass boyfriend got me the whole set, like the whole P. Louise center set, and I want to unbox it with you all, and I want to try it firsthand with you all. I know the products are going to be bomb.com. Like, I know they're going to be so good, and I cannot wait. Like, it's going to be fun, and I cannot wait to share it with you all. But anyway, I'm just kind of letting this mask set in so I can get all the benefits of the green tea and the oil, and it just feels really good on my skin. Like, that's all I can say. I even like dabbed some on my lips so I can like exfoliate them a little bit, because this could really be used for like an all over scrub, like a body scrub and everything, just because the products are all natural. and we DIY'd them, and I think it's really great so far. But anyway, I'm going to go rinse this off and come back. Now I'm gonna go rinse this off. Okay guys, I am back and I washed it all off, and honestly already my skin feels like so soft, like baby's bottom status. Like they feel so soft. So to complete my skincare routine, I am going to, I feel like we put on a lot of oil, so I'm not really going to go back into all my oils, and I'm just going to go in with my IT Cosmetic Confidence and a Cream Moisturizer and just dot that all over my face. And to just roll it in. Super soft, guys, super soft. So I would have to say definitely a win. Like this is a thumbs up. You all need to try it for sure. It has made my skin so soft. I feel like it really got into my pores, on my blackheads on my nose, and just really cleaned them out. I love a good DIY skincare, and I really recommend this one. But anyway guys, thank you so much for coming to chill with me while I do some really cool skincare DIYs. I will try to get on a better schedule for you all, but we will just like see what happens pretty much. That's how I'm rolling with life. I'm just rolling, you know, going where it takes me. So we'll see if I create a schedule. We'll see if I have my life together that much by then. Fingers crossed. But anyway guys, I will see you next time. I hope you all really love this skin DIY as much as I did. Make sure you give me a like and a comment down below, and make sure to also check out my other social media where I can say hi to all my babies there too. But anyway guys, bye. I know that you like it like that. I wear designer, check the name on the tag. White fox fur on my chest.